about the different worlds, though the words are true.
Debbie Johnston has been recognized as the Entrepreneur of Richmond, Philanthropist of the Year, and the Woman on the Move. As a founder and president of Care Advantage, Nurse Advantage, and All About Care, she has created a dynamic, compassionate care company that is devoted to giving back to the community.
My career, I love nursing. It's been very good to me. It's been very good to my family. I just love it. And I preach it, breathe it, tell it everywhere I go, everywhere, every way I can.
Get up, get down, get up, get